Hey guys, it's Scott here and welcome to our robotics tutorial. Now in this tutorial we'll be dealing with our favourite robots, the Spheros. These small but mighty robots can do all sorts of stuff and can be used across subject areas, and I can't wait to show you how. So, if you haven't used Spheros before, essentially what they are is little golf ball sized robots. This is one of the largest Sphero Sparks. We've got the little Sphero Minis. The Minis started around 80 Aussie dollars and the Sparks are around 200 Aussie dollars, but they can do all sorts of stuff and be used across subject areas. Now essentially the way they work is they're powered by a gyroscope. There's a weight inside this robot that when I move the joystick on my iPad, it can roll in different directions and do all sorts of different things. I can get it to do jumps, I can use it to play games, and I can change the colour. I can even use coding. Now one of the great things about these robots is you can use them just using a joystick. You can drive them with your face. If I smile it goes forwards, if I frown it goes back. Tilt my head side to side and it'll follow suit. And I can even use some really simple block coding to control them as well if you want that coding and technology element. Now a lot of teachers have been using these robots in the technology field, but they can be used across different subject areas. One of my favourite uses is seeing them used for art, where you've got a little blow-up kiddies pool and you've got a couple of Spheros inside. You put down a couple of pieces of paper and some blots of paint, and you drive the Spheros through the paint and across the paper, and you get all sorts of really cool abstract artwork. Loads of fun for kids of all ages. And the great thing about these robots is they're drop resistant, they're paint resistant, water resistant, and everything like that. They're really, really powerful. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use one of the little Sphero Minis. So we've got this little blue guy powered up and ready to go. What we do is we've got the Sphero Mini app. It's free to download when you buy the Spheros. And I'm driving him around using a joystick. Now they're really fun, and they've got personalities of their own. They don't always follow your instruction, but you can program them and everything like that as well. I'm using the joystick, but we've got kick, screen drive, face drive, tilt, slingshot, and more. You can drive them around doing all sorts of different stuff. And I've seen you can, as I've got set up here, you can do jumps, you can make obstacle courses, and everything in between. Now these little robots can do some great things, and I want to hear what you guys have been using the Spheros for in your classroom. So if you have any projects that you've used the Spheros for, please let me know. I'd love to find out, and we'd love to promote them on our socials as well, and promote you as an innovative educator. To find out more, head to sphero.com or head to our website, www.bopindustries.com, and we can send you through some more information. I hope you enjoyed the workshop, and I hope to hear from you all soon. See you guys.